What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the default header and footer in Wix Studio. So first you need to head over to the Wix Studio's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials. After that, you need to choose a site that you want to edit and then you need to click on edit site. After that, in the new tab, your site will open. From here, you just simply need to go to the pages and menus, or here you will just see the pages. After that, you need to click on these three dots and then you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings, here you will see the layouts option. But if you can't see the layout option here, you can just simply go to this layers button, and after clicking on layers, here you will see the header. Click on this three dots after the header, and then here you will see the delete option. Click on this delete option, so this will delete the header. And if you want to delete the footer, just simply hover to footer, click on three dots, and then again simply click on delete to delete the footer. So this is how you can delete the header and footer in Wix Studio. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.